Hi, y'all are. This is Papa San here. We're back with another exciting episode. We're going to finish up the plumbing. I told you we was going to have a pretty good adventure there, but time ran out and I had to cut it short. I tried to keep them about 30, 35 minutes, but with that adventure we had, I had to keep it going. Now, we're going to finish up the episode this time. Got a little bit of plumbing to do on the inside. And then we're going to go next door to the next island, build a trap for an RG. And just letting you know, everybody, this is Papa San channel. We're here for good old fashioned fun. I don't do much editing except if it becomes monotonous or too long doing the same thing, then I might speed it up or edit out a little bit. But other than that, I'm giving you the real gameplay, how this game is. Where most everybody else sits there and cut everything, and you don't get to see half. You don't know if they're cheating or anything like that. We try to do everything the way it is, the way it's meant to be. Okay, well, tell you what, let me quit talking, and then that we'll see y'all at the end. Okay, so long. Okay, let's see here. Clothes. I need to put some clothes on. Can't be running around with my boobies hanging out.
There you can. It's perfectly healthy.
Okay, now I was. Okay, now where do I want to put water at down here? Ooh, I put it right over there by that tree. Okay, now I got an idea. Ooh, that's a tail. Scared me.
Did it scare you?
Yes, it scared me.
Okay. That'll work. Okay, let's go see what we can't kill real quick, I guess. Um,
Boy, he's going all out, isn't he?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Kill the bugs, kill the bugs. What? Damn! One hit kill. I love it. Mm.
Might work right there. Let me see. Just might work. Where's
Huh?
that? Where's that?
Uh,
Kidney. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a. Oh, bless you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna make a fancy one. I don't want that old wooden, that old stone spout.
We
So
don't need fancy, sir. We need functional.
who the hell's building this?
Me, apparently.
What? This base ain't going nowhere. So,
That's true. That is true.
let me see. Where's it at? Metal, metal, metal.
So, damn it. I gotta go grab more fucking stone.
There's the metal pipes. You gotta be kidding me.
You're telling me I keep having to go farther and farther down the fucking hill to get stone.
Okay. No, it should just be two things on the side. And uh, yeah, I think they just turn one way. They ain't actually screws. I think they kind of L on the bottom. I think, unless they done change that design.
Huh?
Talking to Keith.
Oh,
Okay, let's see here. Oh, how come it not gonna be in there? Cooking armor, weapons. You kidding me? Can't believe that. Oh, I bet that's strictly for this one over here. Let's see. Structures. We ain't even got no metal. Pipes. Metal. Ah, there we go. Oh my God. Oh, you just put that in there. I think that, man, what in the world? You done that perfect timing as I clicked on it. I was throwing all that stuff in there, so I was pulling everything to it. And as soon as I clicked on it, boy, oh, that my stuff popped up and it just kept coming, kept coming. I'm like, what the hell?
that's funny. Structure, stone. Okay. How can I? What the fuck?
What?
I must need more wood in there. Sitting here trying to make 27 fucking ceilings for that damn trap with fucking birds.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, there we go. Okay, we have the ceilings. We have some walls, not enough. Let's make up some more of those. Yep, that should be enough. Okay, I doubt it though. Yeah, we're not gonna have time to go get RGs. Well, I'm not.
Well, I can go build a trap and wait for what time do you get off?
2:45.
Well, I got to go to town anyway. I got to make a Walmart run and all of that.
Are you off work today?
Yeah, I'm officially on vacation starting as of tomorrow. Today's my day off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we can hop on this shit when I get home.
Uh huh.
Hey, if you go to Walmart, will you do me a favor?
What's that?
Will you look and see how much trailer light, like a trailer light kit is? You know, the brake light shit.
Okay, that's the ones you just bulked on there.
Yeah, all you got to do is bolt them on there, and it should come with a wiring harness for it.
See what they got.
Because I'm Monday, I'm off work, so I was gonna go see if my dad had a actually did have a tire for that trailer.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to get it on over here, but I've got to get a kit, and I've only got a $200 check, so I'm not going to O'Reilly's to fucking buy one. If I have to suck it up and go into Walmart, I will.
What, do you need just one light?
No, I need the light kit. Like it should come with two lights and then the wiring for it. It shouldn't. Oh, it shouldn't cost that much, but there's no fucking telling. Oh my god. Okay, so on this last chest, since you put the metal in here, I've been putting the crystal, metal, and the ingots all in there.
Okay.
So we've got plenty of that. That way, it's all in the same general area at least.
Okay, where'd you put all the structures at?
They're still in the table thingy. I
Okay.
don't know if there's enough there or not though.
Well, I tell you what.
I
Let me.
started running out of resources.
Okay, I'm gonna go fly over there and
You ain't gonna fly over there with all that shit on you.
well, I want to make sure for a location.
Gotcha. I'll be right back.
Okay, Spud. Let's put you some more weight. Okay. Now where am I at on the map? Oh, we're over there. Okay. Yeah, help yourself. I bought 2 packs last night. I'm thinking that island right there is full of Archies. So I'm figuring to head that way. Ooh, I think your next level's going into stamina. Ooh, love a good lightning storm. Ooh, I need a spyglass. But yeah, this is the island. Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, I gotta make a spyglass. Oops. Ooh, watch out for the trees there, Spud. Okay, I need. Sit down. Sit down. Quit being in such a hurry. Okay, let's see here. Okay, spyglass. Ooh, spyglass. Do you have one? I guess he ain't talking to me now. He must be mad at me. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Look in the table right there. There's your spyglass.
Awesome. Thanks, Eric.
Empty some of this stuff here.
I got us almost 1,000 chitin.
Okay.
I'm not
See,
turning it all into cement and paste either because we might need it.
where's it at?
What, the chitin?
Yeah,
And the random junk chest?
there it is right there. Empty all my crap. Less work for my bird.
No, that's another 500 and something. Oh, I still have coffee in here.
Oh, that damn gun. I hate them guns.
But yeah, we definitely. Bitch, get off me. Now you're fucking dead. That's what you get, you little hoe.
Now you can get more stone. Well, we gotta find. We gotta get some RGs so we can bring some antelopes over here to harvest this metal.
Well, we need some anklos and we need some dildos.
Dildos. Okay, I'm gonna take these foundations with me. 100. Oh, that ain't too bad.
What?
The weight. Okay.
Oh. Well, you
Uh,
got 51 door frames in there. I don't know if that's enough or not, but I can make up some more. That's what I'm working on is getting some more supplies because we're running low already.
okay. Let me put my grappling hook stuff in the smithy. That's less weight.
Yeah, because you know that I pumped some stamina in on him, but you know he ain't got no fucking weight. We're gonna have to get some high level RGs.
Well, I'm headed that way. I'm fixing to go check them out because I've
Okay,
seen
I'm fixing
several
to.
of them. I've seen several of them, but I couldn't tell what they were because I didn't want them attacking me.
Well, if we have to, we'll take some bullets over there and kill the low level ones so we can try to get some high level spawned in.
Turtle, how in the world did you get up here?
Turtle, 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 turtle.
Turtle, turtle. Okay. Doo, doo, doo. Well, there's a bunch of scorpions over here too.
Ooh, chitin.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Yeah,
what is that? An alpha what? What are you?
mouth a dickhead. There we go. That should finish up that. Okay, stone. Yeah, okay. You should have more than enough shit now.
That's an alpha carno.
That is 75 door frames. Yeah, you should have plenty. I got metal for days.
Yeah, we got a big rock over here.
Hmm.
Cause this is where the RGs and the carnos and
I
the
wouldn't mind having a couple of Carnos, but we probably wouldn't be able to get them back over here without a boat.
let me see, yeah. bunch of crystal, a bunch of some metal, and a
No, we're
bunch of
good on all that.
charred trees for charcoal.
We don't need all that either. We got plenty of that.
Charcoal for the bullets.
You know how much fucking charcoal or gunpowder I've already made up?
No, I
A
don't know.
lot.
I haven't looked.
I've been using it all though, so yeah, we could probably use some more. Let's go in here, do this. Fixing to make us up some more bullets because we're gonna need those.
Okay.
I keep forgetting that we have to have regular bullets along with trank darts. So, ammo.
Okay, I think this will work right here.
Let's see here,
One.
fireplace. Okay, and is it in here? Cooking, yes. Need flint and stone, of course. Okay. I'm so tired of having to grab that shit.
Don't be wasting
You
them.
be wasting what?
My foundations.
Yeah, don't fucking be wasting them. Shit took forever to make. We'll have to have a talk if you start wasting shit.
Oh yeah.
Wait, don't we have awesome teleporters still?
Yes, sir.
Why don't we just make a fucking teleporter over there too?
We gotta
How
have
much shit does that take?
electronics, pearls.
We got that shit. Well, we got some of it at least. Let me see here.
There's a 145
Okay.
RG. Ooh, look at there, George. That's a 20.
Hey,
What?
we have the stuff I think to make the teleporters. Eight. Well, we need some more electronics, but that shit ain't hard to get. Where did you put that letter at?
Well, go kill some tech raptures or
I
tech
can't.
some tech dinos. Well, I got the foundations down. Now I'm gonna put
How does this fucking thing work?
what thing?
Oh, there we go.
What
I
thing?
couldn't.
A
I couldn't
gamer?
figure out how to work the stupid water thing. I had to jump up on the damn table to do it.
No. When you standing there by it, look at the bottom of it.
Oh, okay. Well, ain't that something?
Okay.
Okay. Cooking.
Okay. Let me see here. I didn't use all the foundations, so
Why not?
I put 4 of them back in here. Okay. You got the 2 dino gates.
Yeah, that'll work.
Got the 2 doors.
Pick up aloud for 22 seconds. That's so gay.
I don't know how many of them I can take. Let me split them in half. Okay, you said awesome teleporters,
Yeah, we need some more electronics, but I mean, that's a small price to pay.
and we're going to do the dino trackers too,
Okay.
because
I'm
that way when you die, your dino ain't stuck there.
I'm gonna get us some more cementing paste making up then. Um,
Okay, let me go see if my bird can. Let me go see if Spud can take it.
I doubt it. He ain't got
Yeah.
no fucking weight on him.
Okay, I got half the doors, half the door frames,
Okay.
and the 2 gates.
This metal responds back pretty quick, so that's good.
Oh, we got metal all over the place. Even over here on the bridge, there's several
Yeah,
of them.
no.
Oh, you done been eyeballing all the resources?
Oh yeah, most definitely. I got 15 minutes.
And over there in the redwoods, at the top of the mountains, I seen like these structures at the top.
Mm-hmm.
You can't get there; it's above the ceiling. It's
Oh,
just
what the fuck?
it's just there for looks.
That's kind of
I
stupid.
was flying up there thing. I started getting in the mist, and then all of a sudden, boom! I ran into the ceiling.
That's kind of gay. Let's see. What do I got here in my inventory? Okay, throw that in there. That in there. But yeah, I've been gathering the shit out of the metal because I've been using a lot of it.
Yes, sir.
So I've been trying to gather it up as I use it. All right, we should have enough cementing paste for the Oh, maybe not. Let me grab some. Go ahead and make up some more. If you got scorpions over there, it won't be much for us to get this chitin back.
Yeah, we got all kind of scorpions over here.
Yeah. What does that take? 4 and 8? Holy dick balls. That's not much. I guess I'll just grab some. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna have to do some stone gathering, sir.
Okay, I'll restock supplies
Yeah,
when
because
you leave.
I've been steadily using it and trying to grab material while I was doing it, but I mean, shit,
Oh,
stone
I,
anything
I
takes
might
fucking a
get
lot.
off when you get off. What time
No,
you
that's
got me
fine. I
at
mean,
work?
I'm fixing to get off here in about 13 minutes. I gotta leave here at 10:05.
Yeah, and I need to go ahead and do my errands of what I need to do.
But I mean, we've still gotten quite a bit accomplished in the last hour and a half.
Yeah, we get the trap will be just about done.
Well, we are gonna have to have a lot of stone anyways because we want to build a wall around this shit.
Yeah, keep them from running off.
Yeah, I've got a bunch of cementing paste making up, so I'm not sure if it'll be enough for because we need what at least one teleporter and two remotes.
Yeah, everybody gets a remote.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know if Keith's gonna get on here with us or
this
not.
thing was only. Oh man, I didn't have to make it three wide.
Wow.
The gates are only good for two.
Oh, well, I guess that just gives us extra supplies for back here, don't it? The good thing is when we gather metal, it gives us the stone as well. So I don't have to go all over BFE to get a bunch of stone.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna make this two wide.
There should be more than enough cementing
Oh,
paste
you
at
kidding
least.
me? It won't let me pick it up.
Well, fuck. Ain't that about a bitch?
Well, I'm just gonna leave it there on the
Yeah,
side.
it don't matter.
It would be a walkway on the side. How's that?
That's okay.
Oh, there's four high.
Huh?
Yeah, it's four high.
Um, well, you only have 75 of those door frames, so you
Yeah,
may have to make more.
that's gonna be plenty.
I figure all the structures that we don't use, we'll just leave them in that table.
And we can grind them down if we need the resources.
Nah, I don't think we will though. 'Cause, I mean, I've already built up another good bit of stone. I got us a little bit of stone anyway. Not a whole lot, but you know, it'll help us. Hell, this wood chest is over halfway full. Oh yeah, I like the looks of that. Okay, throw that in there. Don't need it on me.
Okay, I'm out of them, and I just about got. I got one wall up and half of another wall.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, I'll get the. I'll get the trap built, and then I'll get off here, and then we'll get back
Okay.
on this evening.
Um, um,
Does that sound like a plan to you, there, bub?
yeah. When we before we go to do the trapping, see if
Yes,
we
sir.
can't find a couple of tech dinos so we can get their circuitry and shit.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
And that should give us plenty for at least because we got 85 or 82 of those electronics, and you need 50 per thing. Already got the metal. The problem we're gonna have is the polymer, but everything else we have. So
Okay.
we gotta find. I mean, well, I guess we could go ahead and get another bird because we're gonna need one to kind of mess around with that. So, but I mean, regardless, if we can go ahead and get some teleporters and put one up over there by the thing, you know, there's some chitting from those scorpions and whatnot.
Okay.
I've got us ammo made up. I've got us trank darts made up. I got us a bunch of wood. I put more stone back in here, so
Okay.
there's that.
Yeah, we getting supplies built up.
Yeah.
It takes a little bit to get everything prepared.
So I guess when we get back, we'll go see if we can't tame a couple of Argies up.
Well, we'll probably tame several of them. Now, we can put more than one in a cage, but, if I can get two or three of them chasing us
Yeah.
to get them inside, then we can sit there and tame them. I have done that multiples at one time.
Okay. I've got over. Let's see. I've got 100. I got 225 cementing paste making up, so that should be plenty of that for a little while. Let's pull this out, and I'll go ahead and get some gunpowder going before I get off here.
How many tranks you got?
Over 200.
Okay, good. You can never have too many tranks.
Yeah, I know. That's why we're so low on metal because I keep using all of it. Okay, let's throw this in here. Yeah, and then we'll grab a bunch of this.
Yeah, we're gonna sneak in over here on this island over here, and we're just gonna tame our little butts off.
Oh yeah. All right. All right. Ooh, hello. All right, got over 500 gunpowder making up. See, we have 112 regular bullets,
Yes, sir.
and we got 216 tranks, and that's not counting the tranks we already got on us. And I went on ahead and made an extra pike and sword and left in the smithy in case you die again. But I'm gonna make up some more ammo. I should have enough time. Nope, I don't have enough time. I might be able to get it started though. Clean up this inventory a little bit.
Oh, that was just enough.
What?
Enough walls I brought with me, just enough. Finish out the walls.
Oh. Oh, we still got 19 left. We almost have enough to, yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna get off here and get dressed. Oh, God. That hurt. But yeah, I got some gunpowder going and all whatnot.
I ain't seen no
Ugh.
ankylos. I know we got doe dicks over there in the redwoods. Oh
Well,
boy, that was perfect. Just enough friggin' ceilings too. Boy, I'm getting good at guessing. I'm getting good at guessing.
wow.
Okay,
We need
trap's built.
awesome.
Okay, let me see here. Let me take an eyeball.
Pants.
There's a 15.
That's a blue shirt. I don't need a blue shirt. I need a black shirt. Black shirt. Black shirt.
There's a 145 RG. He's fighting two cardinals. I hope he don't get killed.
Yeah, he's probably gonna die.
Well, the cardinal, he's got two scorpions and two cardinals he's trying to fight.
Hey, okay, I'll get off this
What
thing.
level is that one?
I need to get
Oh,
dressed.
130. Okay, you gone? Well, I guess he is gone. Okay, let me go to the base. Got the trap done. I'm on, Spud. You're doing better. Your stamina ain't dropping as bad. Put the next one in on you, too. Oh, damn. Even put us a fireplace in. That boy, I swear. Okay. Yeah, everything's going. What's they got over here? Got food in there cooking. Let's go ahead and take this out. Put you in over here. Yeah, I gotta keep the groceries going. Okay. Let's call it. We'll be back in a little bit. How y'all doing, everybody? This is Papa Son. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the episode. I know I sure did. And I told you, you'll be hearing anything. You hear conversations about going to work, going to the grocery store, you name it, or people just walking by. We didn't see no need to cut it out because sometimes those conversations are entertaining. Okay. Oh, this is Mr. Fingers, if you would just happen to wondering who it was. And I'll show you about taming him later on and what we use him for. Okay, everybody, if you like, give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.